विसवा उपरांत येवकार. मडगांव अर्बन बँकांत चोरी करपाचो चोरांनी यत्न केल्लो. चोरांनी बरेच यत्न केल्ले म्हालवज फारावपाक, मात चोराक चोरपाक अपेस आयले. ह्या संदर्भात मडगांव पुलिशेन अज्ञाता आड कागाळ नोंद केल्या. सीसीटीव्हीत फुटेजीत चोर अस्पश्ट दिसल्यात, मात तोंडार मास्क आशिल्ल्यान वळखूंक मेळना म्हण मडगांव PI कपिल नाईक उलयला. आरडेक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
Today at about 9:30, we received a call from Madgaon Urban Bank informing that some theft attempt has been taken place. So accordingly, as per the call, I along with my officers visited at the bank, and it is noticed that some culprit made an effected entry from the rear grill by opening the rear grill and removing the exhaust fan and entered into the bank. And after entering into the bank, he have made various attempts to open the drawers, and he has damaged the drawers and doors inside the banks. And also the attempts have been made to open the tiles of the strong room, but by breaking the tiles, and efforts made to dig the hole from the top of the strong room, but he was failed to do that. So in this connection, we have registered the crime under section 380, 457 and 511 IPC. During the visit, we also noticed that he has turned the CCTV cameras towards the upward sides, and he is slightly visible on the CCTV, but he has covered his face with the mask, so his identity could not be proved. So our efforts are in progress to trace the accused.